Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do a print quality report, or test page, for a HP Photosmart 6520. Now this is a great way of troubleshooting any print quality issues you're having, and can be done using this touchscreen here, meaning there's no need to have a PC or a laptop attached. So, from the touchscreen itself, we're going to press on this spanner icon on the top right hand side. And once we're in there, we want to go into Tools. Now, Print Quality Report is the third option down here, so press again to that. Now this will take your printer just a couple minutes. Now, when it's done, you'll have a page that hopefully looks better than this. Now what this should be is a block of black, cyan, magenta and yellow. You see you've got the different vibrancies there as well, just to really get a good idea of what your printer's doing. Now, even though black is completely absent, you can see the printer has tried to create like a faux black by combining all the colours up here, but the patchiness of the other colours is giving it that weird striping. But that text should be black. Now I obviously have some issues here, and to resolve those, I'd recommend doing some cleaning cycles. So if you've got something that's looking like that, go into Tools, and Clean Print Head is the bottom option there. I recommend going into that. You can do cleans and test pages until you've hopefully got a better quality of print. That's all there is to see here. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else I can help with, please do let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.